So this seems to be a plan from like above high source, yeah. In this section of life, yeah, of Immortal Dead, the colors of Steelers football team, and the obvious God, yeah, is called God. God, yeah. Backwards is we have some dogs here and so on, yeah, that are really highly talented and create sons and much more of the amazing grants and gifts that we all get in this place of creation. There's no way people are going to be creating those scents, yeah. Let's be honest with all of us, yeah. So the B-Plex, they don't get much of anything. They don't get much toys. They don't get vaccines since the beginning. They don't get anything, yeah. They're not treated that good, let's be honest, yeah. They don't get a big yard. They don't get free vax. They don't get free housing, and the list goes on, yeah. But usually they're tagged with Biblical B as their and as their parent and whatever else. So that Jacob, yeah, it's like $40, 40 treasury and whatever else, yeah. And 15 here and there and whatever, yeah. The food is like Balthazar wants to enhance his wolfness and his strength and abilities and so on in protection skills and whatever else with the Blue Buffalo 69 or $5, yeah, per bag, yeah. So that's not something I'm able to truly afford in having this dog, yeah. But I do have to keep this dog. And it's not fair for me, yeah, because when he starts in changing with all these vaccines and everything, yeah, I have a son. I'm like unable to take care of myself, and that's what's gonna happen, yeah. And the reality is gonna switch change. He's gonna be going to school and doing all this, yeah. So it's like horrendous and like disturbing to me, yeah. If I'm with all my friends and that's something, yeah, it's like an MKS number to the team, yeah. But the reason, yeah, that I bring him to church, yeah, and I wake a wish in the planes and trances of like high powers and God, creator, and everything, yeah. He was gonna get baptized Catholic at the visual church, yeah. The little visual church, yeah. And they had mentioned meth was mad and wanted him in meth. So I went over there to the meth church to try to get a book for my friends, yeah. Men's Devotion. So they can get their proper pairings in life, and so I can appreciate and like all their girlfriends for once, and in responses to that, my relationships as well. Since they don't like anyone I'm with, yeah, because it's like usually the people that the whole universe hates, yeah, that I'm dating. Anyways, I went in there and they had given me a brochure, yeah. It's like white beam clouds to like high source, high skies of creation, yeah. Similarly to where I was found, yeah. So this class is like supposedly church class, yeah. That's what they say, yeah. But in the whole 360 of the church, yeah, it was please bring Jacob. So I brought it to the parking lot one day of the church, and I saw like a spiritual guy said that these classes have not been of enrollment in a really long time, and no one really joins because it's like really serious classes like creation law and mainly creation law and studies of deep understanding of way of life and everything else. So I'm looking at the brochure. It looks similarly to like where I was, yeah, in my life, yeah, of this life. And so they said that like Jacob's gonna be going there, yeah, but the fighting from somewhere else as well, yeah, is like, no, give him to the Speedplex man, yeah, or men, yeah, and we're like, so what's the deal, yeah? So I'm not able to keep my son, and he's not really my son. It's not fair, yeah. I'm sick, and he's sick, yeah. And we're not able to take care of each other, yeah. So we don't know if the Speedplex man is really gonna pick him up or what's the deal, yeah. But the leaving him with Balthazar and him going to the anyway, so I think he wants to join Universal Studies and Education of Creation Law of his species, type, and kind, yeah, and the learning of his level, and he wants his group of friends and everything else, but the pulling, the grabbing, the tax, the this, the that, the we don't want Jacob to go through this and so on, yeah. And studies and life purpose and motive, yeah, is from somewhere. So the guy walked out really thinning, like almost not really hearing out, like a ghost that was gonna pick Jacob up. So we need to see pull tug this that is for a really good cause, yeah. Like it's a spy on me, yeah. I did something illegal for you to spy, yeah. So then I'm gonna take my son home. He's gonna turn into a boy, and someone's gonna do something like bill me because my kid didn't go to school, yeah. Or like jail me, my kid's like 6 and didn't go to school. So that seems to be like the respect level of space, perimeter, and radius area, yeah, is invaded by thugs somewhere, yeah. So if you would like to go yourself with your dog and find out, make a wish, pray something, yeah. It's not fair to me that you ruin my day and my passing my dog to somewhere that he wants to go. I can tell you after, yeah. These times are like meditative prayers, practice speaking to my creator and informing my creator of what I'm doing, yeah. And to pass Jacob in prayer, protection, and the rest of what he needs. And these are always time to invade, yeah. So it's like someone went through a big ceremony and the whole city barged in, yeah. Lost train of thought, yeah. It's like someone freestyle, free flowing, yeah. So when you're really serious doing something really important, these are the moments that people cannot respect. Because someone thinks I'm after someone, yeah. Oh, MKS is there. She's silent. She says, don't come in. Let's barge in and see, yeah? So if I am passing the memo, yeah, that these supposed someone, yeah, is after me, killing me, I need to report, yeah? And so these incidences and times, yeah, that it occurs, yeah, So there truly is someone after me, yeah? Regarding... We would like to know, yeah? You can send me a memo, yeah? Since you have such high abilities to interfere, yeah? So if someone tries to do something nice for someone, yeah? These are always an occurrence, yeah? So it's okay, I'll keep Jacob forever, yeah? And then they'll send me a mail, this, that nonsense that adds up, yeah? $600, I don't have money to pay for it, yeah? Then they'll take my kid, put him in a machine, do all this fucked up shit, yeah? Instead of him going to school, having a life. What the fuck is this? Someone's teaming with someone here, yeah? Respect doesn't exist anymore, yeah? Because, like, I flashed the feature at end of creation there, yeah? Everyone's a soul going inside this and that person, yeah? So I'm kind of wondering, yeah? What someone did to respect of USA, yeah? So never mind. Someone's gonna say respected, yeah. In the whole circle, they're gonna say, oh, karma came back, so we're gonna throw in respect again, yeah. It's like you do to me, yeah. So people sign treaties and whatever else, yeah, that people can wed, gay, lesbian, whatever, yeah. Cause you agree to my lifestyle and Fox lifestyle, yeah. Even sex, yeah. And the rest of the connects, yeah. Because what? No divinity, yeah? No pairing partnership, nothing, yeah? But never mind, don't tell the God above or anyone, yeah? Because that's when, yeah, you question me, yeah? When I take Jacob to school, yeah? It's obvious, yeah, if we look at the GM chart at the supposed place of establishment, yeah? Never mind, change karma, erase karma, yeah? So who's karma? After you do a mistake, there's a cause and effect, yeah? So the obvious statement here, yeah, is what, yeah? No divinity, so who's fucked in the end, yeah? Never mind, we're gonna change it. We're gonna make everyone meth. Everyone's gonna read the book, be changed, yeah? This is not a person just talking about body because someone switched, yeah? So when this is not a person talking about body, we're all cath, yeah? Catechism, yeah? And then we're all this, all that, yeah? So it's like someone fearing parents. It's obvious these enactments and actions, yeah? So I do question, yeah? Who's God, yeah? The bill said, in God we trust. Trust is not God, yeah? And then there's God of the dead, yeah? That's not God, yeah? I question the loyalty, the respect, the care for all life and creation. I question, yeah, but you're gonna question those elements, yeah? And then the fucking shit story of like, oh, when we get caught, we erase, we take it out, we say it's not us, we paste other people that's innocent, yeah, on, yeah? It's beyond, yeah? It's like Slither Snakes is like God or something, yeah? life to have a reality, yeah. What's real, yeah. What we can touch, what we can see, what we can feel, and what we can sense, yeah. That's reality, yeah. That's existence. That's to have a life, yeah. A body, alertness, everything, yeah. So I'm wondering, yeah, what this plan, mode of action is. So if you're too cool to admit to your parents above, yeah, what you did, yeah, like fucking with my reality first off, yeah. Cover us, image over, I'm fucking Zach married for infinite life, yeah. File divorce somewhere, yeah. In my universe body as I'm asleep, yeah. That's just real. Sick of this. I'm really sick of this, yeah? How do people get these positions? They're gonna cover some image life over and say, this person is truly doing this, yeah? But you come and diss me, yeah? When I paint roses and I paint it over, yeah? I paint it over and over because I don't have money for a new canvas, yeah? Someone claimed I made life and then pasted over, yeah? So my God, this person's amazing, man. More higher than creation law and homeland, yeah? Which is when I don't really care for your shots, yeah? You shoot me, then I'm out, yeah? But you come around switch time this time, I'm alive sitting here, yeah? Which is when you're not really that cool because you fear, yeah? You fear, that's why it's disgusting to me. You're gonna ruin everyone's life in a circle the whole time so you can be up. And you put a lock on it so no one up will come down, yeah? It's just something I don't know, yeah? Never mind, that door to high source is highly open, yeah? So it's still everything that is hers in responses to connection to her creator, yeah? How she prays, how she contacts, how she communicates, yeah? So after you did something like that for 30 years after fucking, yeah? Someone else's, yeah? You want to force everyone to be a certain way, yeah? We fix after you break, yeah? And the reason why the creator doesn't know bizarre, yeah? They know, yeah? They want to see how long is going on, yeah? And he thinks it's support, yeah? So if you kill the best of creation, you're not going to have the best, yeah? Let's say you go around and kill every element, yeah? You really think you're going to have life, yeah? blame my dad, my mom, this, that, yeah. They're created, connected to thy creator, yeah. So the creator doesn't know, yeah. So it's almost like she created it, it's her path to go up, yeah. Up in evolution and whatever else to her class where she belongs, yeah. But it's no switch, take me, my species, my creation, my daughters, my son, my whatever, yeah. So you're all up there, yeah. And in mirror effects of it all, you're all just punching each other, yeah. So I want to fuck John, so let's put John in high source so she can fuck, yeah. So what is it, yeah? 30 years, then you come and tell me you want me to bat meth, yeah? It's not on my birth cert, yeah? That shit switch and change, yeah? It's changeable, yeah? So everyone's going around blaming each other like stupid clowns, yeah? All over this place, yeah? Because what, yeah? Because no one gets to anything. No one goes up. No one does anything. Everyone's sick, ill, and dying, yeah? Suffering 24/7, yeah? While one person or two, yeah? Lives happily ever after above, yeah? So if you're above, it's your job and position, yeah? To Monica. So it's whose job and position, man? When you have every power offerable. By us, yeah? So in reality, yeah, I have the Moses statute, 10 commandments. One of the commandments is thou shalt not steal, yeah? My TV, my recorder, my money, my cigs, my this, my that, stealing. Stolen, yeah? Balthazar's gift card stolen, yeah? So I don't know who I'm dealing with, yeah? Just like someone knew who they were dealing with when it was Jesus, yeah? So, man, if you say something is something, yeah, then it has to be it, yeah? So the color red, rouge, rose, yeah, is red, yeah? So you said no divin, yeah? And out of nowhere, it's, we have divin. So, I know who I'm dealing with, yeah? Someone that doesn't stick to their words, yeah? Of high source, high power position, yeah? Anyways, magic's losing powers in reality, yeah. We don't know what that is, yeah. This is Satan resides in, like, a magic war zone where nothing really works in magic, yeah. So because, yeah, baptized Buddhist, anyone can go in my brain state, do whatever, create whatever, yeah. So it's not what it says and promises, yeah. So it looks like we are all gonna die. So no divinity, destroyed already, yeah. So if you're like God above all's kid, yeah, the real one above me, Zach, and the rest of biblical, yeah, then you should do your homework in explaining why we're all dying, yeah, and fixing, yeah, without killing or harming anyone, yeah, and take responsibility, yeah. Well, of course you wouldn't. That's why, yeah, it's someone's here, someone's not, someone's there, someone's not, yeah. Life's not life, dead's not dead, nothing's anything, yeah. Objects speak, whatever else, yeah. So God is good, God is great, yeah. And for the understanding of that is of God, yeah. Being our understanding of who God is, yeah. We're not referring to purgatory God and or anyone, yeah. Referring to our belief of who God is in our understanding and meaning of what God is, yeah. So if my God still exists, yeah, in responses to law, creation, religion, and creation law, yeah. Then it seems like my species is not going extinct. But if it is, yeah, then all life is probably gonna change, yeah. To someone else being God, yeah. And by that, no one is important to their own self and entity, yeah. It's probably gonna be like juggling, fucking with people like already is, yeah. No one's really alive in that manner, yeah. Because laws of creation is what keeps people alive, what keeps people real, and what keeps magic and everything real, yeah. And by the looks of it, it's all dying, yeah. And in the begin till the end, I really don't have much to say, yeah. That's why I never really said, yeah. Because it's common sense, yeah. For other people to tell me and say, yeah. So you have 3 kids, yeah, entities that you chose, yeah, to be corresponding and communicating, yeah. But Zach doesn't do his homework, yeah? Because Zach got raped, fucked, and this, that, yeah? Because what, yeah? And then you're gonna say Zach made poor choices, this, that he has, and he has a way to make a choice, yeah? As a dead person, yeah? He's stuck in his head. He's an intelligent person stuck in his head, yeah? So it looks like you don't care for the assignments, but you did from me, yeah? Or maybe you didn't, yeah? You just wanted people to die, forget, and get lost and whatever else, yeah? The intention's not pure, yeah? So baptized karma is always gonna remain and stay, yeah? So next time, someone better than love, yeah? And the rest of Buddhism, yeah? Someone wants to be Monica so much, yeah? That's why they all took all the boyfriends, yeah? Never mind, Miss Blonde Hair, whoever you are, you should admit, yeah? But maybe, yeah, she just didn't have to, yeah? She's not in Prague, yeah? And never mind, the system's hacked beyond, yeah? Anyone can steal anyone's passing, yeah? So when I said whatever, yeah, you come around and still have an issue with me, yeah? When it's your karma, your fault that you have to admit. That's why I'm tired of dealing with someone that's not a person. It's almost like a force of some sort of doll, yeah? So it's like reason your way out, teach, educate, this, that, and solve it all as a community, as a group, as a team, as a society, and so on, yeah? And the species, yeah? But instead it's Monica's dad did, Monica's mom did, Christine did. Put Christine said Christine did in the pace, yeah? Have her take all the stuff for Christine, yeah? For herself, yeah? So it's everyone suffers for someone, yeah? Beyond, yeah? It's not a person, yeah? So we're educating and teaching the whole time, yeah? For no one, yeah? Never mind, no one has to say, yeah? No one has to tell anyone, no one has to broadcast. No one has to pray that their speechy look at their vids and their assignment, yeah? No one has to share, yeah? So the amount of stuff I don't say, yeah, because I don't really have a say, yeah, unless I'm sleeping, I'm saying, yeah. The 30 years as I'm studying, working, suffering, yeah, no one thinks to actually give me my boyfriend since day one, yeah. So okay, this maze doesn't have it, yeah. So I would love to leave now, yeah. Before someone gets prosecuted for forcing hell entities to have abstinence, yeah? Because you're all too good, man. You're all too good. You're all handsome, nice, great, everything, yeah? I'm ugly, sick, disgusting, yeah? So it's my last life, yeah? People want to kill my species, yeah? And eliminate my species, yeah? First, this is darts and the rest, yeah? People that are big and important somewhere in the universe consider stars, yeah? So all these are my boyfriends, man. got something to say, yeah? At the end of all this, it's like, Monica has AIDS, Monica's disgusting, Monica's fat, Monica's this, Monica's that, yeah? You have zero facts that I have it, yeah? So everyone supports Jesus, likes Jesus, yeah, everything, yeah? So that's fine, yeah, not my business, yeah? So the first most hated in the universe was Zach, yeah? Why was it to steal, yeah? Obviously he's most hated, yeah? So it's my last life. I fuck guys that everyone hates, yeah, universally, yeah? That's considered someone really important in the universe. And so to finalize everything, yeah, I don't really care, yeah? To be someone's girlfriend, yeah? In the list of my real boyfriends, yeah? Because they're not like me, yeah? They don't care to fix or understand or learn what's going on, yeah? They don't care about fucking their girlfriends, yeah?